turn up at their favorite festival. I need some people, some party people to jump on stage and
Logan, we're gonna watch your aunt and your uncle play softball.
Yeah, Logan. Softball. You ready to see them play softball? We're gonna go look for eggs in the park.
So we missed the egg hunting.
But
it took us a long time to hide these. Painstakingly hiding these.
so many eggs. That's enough? We open it later. Go ahead. So cool, huh? It's an Easter bunny.
Folks, feel free to take pictures if you like. Our Easter bunny is here for you guys. Oh my goodness!
Good job.
That was so quick and so hard.
All right, good job, buddy.
We're gonna make one of our own. Dad has the bag right there, and he's gonna go hide them in Center Park. Come, buddy.
Wait, I just
You gotta
said
walk
what you said.
faster.
Say that again?
Thank you. Wow, you finished it all. Good job. Can I have some? One.
Logan, we gotta go look for the eggs.
Here, get your basket. Get your basket and go look for the eggs.
Go get one of the eggs over here. Oh, look, I see an egg. There's one egg.
Go look for eggs.
I see an egg over there. Put it in your basket. Come on. Daddy holds the bat. Oh, you see another one?
Okay, one more.
Oh. Can you carry it or put it in there?
No. One more.
Where?
See?
At least.
Where?
At least.
By the tree?
Go ahead.
Where? You gonna get it? There's one up there, and there's one over there. Oh, get it. Get it.
There's one there?
Yeah. Get it.
Wow,
What
good
about
job,
over
buddy.
here? No, come here. Where? See another one? You see?
I think he thinks they're coming from the tree and they're falling on the ground.
Come here. Let's go look. Okay, go get eggs.
Good job.
But you have to put them in your basket.
Hey, buddy.
Oh
no.
no.
That's okay.
What's in there? Look. Oh, wow.
What's that?
Wow.
Put
Wow.
it inside. Put it in.
He said, wow.
What's that?
It's stuck in your mouth.
You like it? There's another egg over there.
Put them in here. Put them in your basket, buddy. It's stuck in this.
Yeah.
Light one.
You like that? Look, here. There's one over there. Look. Look over there. You see it? By the bird? Look. Look.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Open the jelly.
Daddy has a jelly. What's that?
Money.
You think it's money?
Open the money.
Open the money. Go get the green one over there. You have one more. Go get it. Your pants are falling. Good job. You want to open them?
Open.
Open it. Wow, look at that.
What happened?
Okay, close. Here, put it inside. Put it inside and close. Here.
What just happened?
Here, close.
He was just happy like a second ago. You want to put it back in the egg?
Got this one already.
No.
Uh-oh, we can't eat it now. Yeah. You're shaking it and you're opening it, so the candy's gonna fall out, buddy. Here.
Green.
Got a green one?
Green one.
Can I get one? Can I get one? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Why are you crying?
Green. Green one.
The green one's yummy. Why are you crying, buddy?
Yellow one.
Yellow one?
Green.
Here. Look at boogies.
Boogies.
Boogies. It's stuck in your teeth.
One left.
One left. The plane go round and round, circling us?
Train round and round.
Yes, the plane go round and round. Does it come with instructions?
No, but it comes with like little. Oh, this is her little nursing hat.
One left.
One left. Yep, and that's it.
Logan's.
Yeah, okay, you can have it.
Yellow orange.
That is green.
Green.
Yes.
You got that one. That one. You missing? Did I
There's one more here.
One day. Empty.
Seven. It's not empty, baby. See?
Empty.
It's a squirrel, buddy. Hi.
All right.
Hi.
Say bye, Theo. Say bye, Theo.
Bye, Tito.
They try to be nice and then they mess up. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay, bud, let's go.
We're leaving the park. They're still practicing. But we need to go get something to eat. We haven't eaten all day. I think I only had Starbucks. We only had Starbucks. Logan ate though at my mom's. But we're on our way to get food.